It's no secret how I feel about Pleasureway vans. All the virtues I expound on my channel are true. High quality, excellent livability, thoughtful design. Well, all that grandiloquence has afforded me a few unanticipated perks. Pleasureway gave me the nod to walk through their vans at the Tampa RV Show. Talk about a kid in a candy store. Walk? There's no walking. Woohoo! Yee-hee! Woohoo! Nice. This is the new Plateau FL from Pleasureway. FL stands for Front Lounge. But what I see here is my editing station. This is perfect. It's ready made. The seat spins around easily. I've got a nice big work surface for my tablet and my keyboard and mouse. I take this TV, get it out of here, and put my iMac up on that wall. Nice window to see what's going on outside. It's got power supplies, USBs, perfect storage underneath. This is functional. I really like this. Both seats spin. There's a table, cup in the middle here, so you can have a little cocktail, some provolone maybe, or a little Asiago. Rocking and rolling. This is the Ascent, smallest one they make. The beauty of this guy is you got a good sized refrigerator and it's not mounted on the floor. It's up at a reasonable height where you can get in it without contorting. Microwave is at a reasonable height where you can take stuff out, put it on the counter safely. It's not rammed all the way up, and it's not mounted down here where you can't get at it either. Very nice. I knew this sink wasn't going to be very big, but it does have a nice view. As you're working here at the sink, you got this big view right in front of you. It's pretty nice. Next. Wait till you see what this one does. This is unbelievable. This isn't a van. This is a cutaway. Okay? It's Sprinter, and then they give them a frame. Pleasureway builds a box on the back. No slides. No slides in here. Look at how spacious this is. Right? Wait till you see what this thing does. First thing I do, sofa. Extend the sofa out. That's power. Everything is multiplex wiring. You got all these digital switches everywhere. Now you got a day bed. Single bed. It's a generous twin if you have a significant other that you're very close with. Then this comes down. Look at this. This is a memory foam mattress. All right. This is a healthy double on its way to a queen, I think. You know. You get a window. You get to keep your bedding here. This bed can stay made, and it just goes up on a gas strut. Look at this. Easy. One person can do it. And then you retract this thing. No slides in here. This is all without slides. You can't believe it. Now wait till you see this bathroom. Come on. Hey, like this. You're in the shower. Beautiful, right? Nice commode. Beautiful sink, Corian backsplash. Big storage space. This is nice. Oh, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. This shower, look, is a full Corian shower. Unbelievable. It's beautiful. All right, I'll get in. You need some scale. There's your scale. Nice Corian shower, Skylight. I love this one. I love this one. It's just not a van anymore. This camper is the same length as my Sprinter TS Plateau. Same length. I think they said it's 9 inches wider on each side. Here's that fridge again. You got a nice big closet there. Nice big TV. Cabinetry. This XLTD offers a different approach to the large no-slide living space. Rather than having a rear bath across the back, the TD has facing sofas that serve as twin beds.
And look at all that glass. Personally, I love having as much natural light pouring in as possible. And they have certainly maximized those wishes in here. I'd like to see them do something to increase the size of the galley. The bathroom in this model is also nothing short of spectacular. You can tell I really like the Plateau XL series. Pleasureway does a great job of keeping their living spaces wide open and airy. Plenty of glass to let in all that natural light. The build quality is very good. Fit and finish, excellent. My Pleasureway is 7 years old at this point, and it's still solid and tight. No problems.
This is pretty cool. This is called the Lagoon swivel table. Look at this. This thing does all kinds of contortions. You can put it anywhere you want. You can detach it and put it away if you want. You can raise it, you can lower it. It's very modular and it's convenient. I know because I have a fixed table in mine and it's a little tough. You can spin it to get by, but this is nice. I'm gonna have to put one of these in mine. You can play with this all night long. This is a TS, but this is on a Dodge chassis. All right, this isn't a Sprinter. But look at this fridge. They put it in a perfect spot. It's not too low, it's not too high. It's right where you have everything at your level. You don't have to bend down for anything, it's all right here. Nice. Smart. Now this bathroom, wait till you see this. The next feature of a TS floor plan is a larger bathroom. This one has a vanity, very nice, with a lot of storage underneath. Wide open. It's more like home than the others. That's what you get in the TS, a bigger bathroom. It's nice.
Personally, I prefer the larger models. But I am still torn between the various floor plans. Do I want a larger bathroom? Do I want a nice workstation? A big galley? A walk-in shower? Yes, I want them all.
This is nice. This is just what I need. This is the FL, Plateau FL from Pleasureway. This is, FL stands for start again. That sucked. Here's one of the things I like about Pleasureways as opposed to all the other vans. When I'm driving and I need to, but look at this fridge. This is beautiful. Ooh, now I gotta move you. Wait till you see what this one does. This is unbelievable. Now I can't close it. I can't close it. Do it again. This thing's got two latches and you just pull it down. It's on gas struts, so it's gonna hit my camera. So we gotta start again. I gotta move the camera. Vaffanculo. Okay, I'm done. That's it.